birdie on your shoulder?
Yep. My buddy.
Hi there, little yellow. Hi there, little yellow.
How do I get him off? Come on now. There we go.
Aww.
You want to go on too? Did you miss out? No, you don't want to go on. How about you? Mr. Green want to go on? Yeah, Mr. Green.
Mr. Green.
Yeah, you're pretty. Should we try it?
You can try.
Okay, here we go. It's like straight up. So we took a little
A detour.
side trip to Parrot Mountain.
Parrot Mountain. And it's above Dollywood. And it's up this...
We can't really go in it because we have Riley.
Yeah,
We left her in the car with the engine running. We just want to come up here and check it out.
It's not too busy here, and it's not too hot anyway. So.
It's like really up a steep mountain just to get up here. Kind of crazy, but...
This is really cool.
Yeah, it's like you're in a tropical rainforest. Yeah, wow. Surprisingly, they do allow dogs on a leash.
Yes.
So we got a ticket and we're going to check this place out.
Yeah.
See, it's very well landscaped, really pretty. Hello. Hello.
Neat, I guess.
Yeah, it's a little deli here.
Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. This is so cool under here.
Hi, African Gray. You're pretty. You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you're noisy. All the birdies are squawking at Riley.
Acting up for us.
Upside down acting up. Wow. Hi, guys.
Hi, toucan. Yeah, they're different types of toucans.
What are you? You look like a dinosaur. Yeah? You're nice and calm. What's your name? Hello. Oh, you're beautiful. Pretty bird. West African crown crane.
Oh, wow. See the peacocks? Oh, the peacocks.
Alright, I'll walk away.
Wow, that's really neat.
Big one, big fella there.
The heavy?
Not much. You can carry them.
Yeah.
When I put. Take it. Oh my pen.
Wow. Just.
Go. Go. Yeah.
Hello. Hi. You're beautiful. Yes, you are.
Put it in your hand. Come on, show me.
One more.
Daddy gave me this
Just
stick
don't
for
fall off.
holding him.
Don't fall off.
He's not holding
You want to hold him now? How do we do this now? Like this? Well, he's hanging on. There you go.
No, you don't need the stick. Give him the hand. It'll come on your hand.
He won't hurt you.
He will. No, he won't. Okay, so give your hand. It will be very nice to you if you are nice to him. Wait. Be strong, alright? Come close to me. It won't do anything.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Aren't you getting any attention over here? Hmm? Aww. Hello. Aww. Pretty bird. Rat. How about you? Huh? Cool. You're like the bird whisperer.
Want to go?
You want to? No? Okay. Do you want to? No. Okay. Nobody wants to get on my hand. Nobody wants to get on my hand. Do you want to? No. Okay. Well, he tried to bite me, so I don't think that he wants to get on. Anyway.
Are you gentle? You look gentle.
You look like you're half asleep. Beautiful colors. You're Fred. Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred.
Oh, I see your names are on each one.
Yeah. Rio. That's the Lori aviary. Are nectar eating and no seeds.
Oh.
You guys are very pretty.
You're a rose-breasted cockatoo. Oh, it's gone.
Cool. The empty tomb. Yeah, it should be lit up. So this is really peaceful up here. Very lush and tropical, and a million different birds of all different types. Quite a collection, but we kind of stumbled in this by accident because we were actually just going to drive by Dollywood and see if we could find it. And we drove by the parking lot and there was like no cars in the parking lot, which was really strange. I know it's a Monday, but still.
At Dollywood, you mean?
At Dollywood. So then we kept going and we saw the sign for this place, and it's like straight up a mountain, crazy drive up there, and I'm thinking, who would come up this crazy steep road? And we got up here and there were some cars in the parking lot. So this was a complete surprise. And we figured we wouldn't be able to take Riley in since there's animals, but they allow it as long as they're on a leash.
Well, earlier I had seen advertisement for this in a magazine, like a touristy kind of magazine, and but we found it.
Yes.
Oh wow! Look at you. Honey, is that a yellow jacket?
Look at you.
There's some kind of bee on you.
Who's that? Who's that amazing?
Yeah, beautiful.
Aren't they beautiful? Wow. It's very hilly in here.
Mm-hmm.
Up and down. And
Yeah.
uneven.
The whole thing is built on a mountain.
Military macaws.
Birds are bigger than trees.
Let's go through the little tiki hut here. Oh, baby bird nursery. Cool. Wow.
Hang out on this rocking chair and look out over the jungle.
Oh yeah, look at the nice rockers.
You want to sit down a little? Alright, let's get a little bit here.
To shut the door. We don't want any birds to fly out. Aww. Baby birds. Baby birds.
Look at these fellas. You were reaching out for me, weren't you? Yeah. What a nice bird.
Oh, you keep going down on the floor.
Hey.
Aww. Aww.
They're for sale. You want one?
They're for sale?
Yeah.
Oh.
Down here? Sure.
Oh, green one.
Oh, that's fun.
Green.
That's fun. You want to hold your hand up. She doesn't want to hold your hand. No.
Little yellow birds too. Oh, aren't you pretty? Aren't you pretty? You're very pretty. You're very pretty. He's jumpy. He's jumpy bird. Yeah. Hi there. Aw, a birdie on your shoulder?
Yep. My buddy.
Hi there, little yellow. Hi there, little
How do
yellow.
I get him up? There we go. You want to go on too? Did you miss out? No, you don't want to go on. How about you? Mr. Green want to go on? Yeah, Mr. Green. Yeah, you're pretty. Want to go on my shoulder? Oh, you're getting tense when I do this.
I know. Oh, wow.
That's
Looks
cool.
like this Robertson cave.
Yeah.
Oh, they are really pretty.
So the admission price was like $20 a piece, so we were kind of surprised. We thought that was a little higher than we expected, but after we were in here and we saw all the different varieties they have
They're
from
from
all
all
over the world,
over.
and all the landscaping and everything they have to do to keep these birds healthy.
And these beautiful houses
Mhm.
that they're housed in.
It's definitely well worth it, and it's something unique and different that isn't. It's out of the way that people don't really know about it, so it's definitely worth a visit, I think,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Yeah. Look at this crazy road to get into here.
I don't know if you can tell, huh? You probably can't tell how steep it is. Hope you have good breaks.